In this video, we're going to show you how to switch columns on your website. So depending on the elements and section that you're working with, you're going to want to be able to understand how to rearrange and switch columns. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am working off of a testimonial template. As you can see, we have the standard image, we have the name, and we have the testimonial. But if we want to be able to rearrange and kind of switch these columns, you're going to want to watch this lesson. Now, this will work for a lot of different templates within this software. So what you want to do is go ahead and hover over this section that you're working off of, and you'll see a column icon on the top menu bar. We're going to want to click on that. After selecting this section and clicking on that column icon, you will see a menu bar appear on the right-hand side of the screen. And under content arrangement, we're going to go through each option and show you what changes that will make to your website. So as you can see, we're currently selected under column. If we change that to column reverse, now you'll see the testimonial and image switched places. If we select row, you'll see that we have the testimonial on the left-hand side, then we have the image on the right, and we've created 3 rows with our testimonials instead of a single column. And again, row reverse is going to switch that. So we have our image on the left-hand side of the screen, and we have our testimonial on the right, and we have a single row for each specific element in that section. I'm going to set this back to column, and whatever content arrangement you would like to go with for your specific section, you're going to want to always remember to save the changes when you're done. Now, this is an example that we've provided with the testimonial section, but you can change the content arrangement of a variety of different sections on your website. So what you're looking for is that column icon, and that column icon will appear on any section where you can change the content arrangement.